Get noticed in this 2008 Acura TL. Everything you need under one roof with this great vehicle. Get more for your money with this vehicle that features low mileage and dependability. Better gas mileage means better long-term driving, and this ride delivers with a great low fuel consumption rate. With a solid 6-cylinder engine connected to a smooth shifting 5-speed automatic transmission, this vehicle qualifies for our free Super Guarantee Autos Vehicle Warranty Program. Buy a vehicle and get a free warranty from us only at everycarlisted.com. Find your way easily with the included navigation system. Stand out from the crowd with premium wheels. Get advanced listening benefits from the premium sound system. Our website offers more information on all of our vehicles. Call us today to start test driving.